Right here, M650 wireless microphone from ANKERWORK, aka Anker, the company that makes all the awesome battery packs. Work your way, ANKERWORK. Boom, nice. Right up here, you have the transmitter information. These are transmitter, boom, boom, transmitter, and you have the receiver. Boom, boom. There we go, ANKERWORK. Ooh, nice detail. The embossed ANKERWORK logo. You have the nice gold all around. That looks fancy. And you have the USB-C to charge it. This case is the battery case with the battery indicator lights down there. Open it up and ta-da! You're presented with your true transmitter and one receiver. Perfect for getting audio from two people, or if you want stereo sound, or you can just use one of them like I normally do when I do my own audio recording. Perfect. There's a transmitter right here. These battery connectors are sealed up right now. Open them up so we can get them charging. These are the contact points that will line up the pins right here and get charged by the case. Let's test it and see if it works. Boom, it's in there and you see the light lights up. Perfect, it's charging. That's the beauty of the charging case right here. With the case and everything, you have 15 hours of battery life. On a single charge, you get 6 hours of battery life. And that's incredible for this tiny little unit. And I love it because it's so compact, yet it has a lot of features too. It's got the clip here, so you can clip it onto your shirt or something. As you clip it on, you can also rotate this to any angle you want. It locks into different angles right here. When you clip it onto your shirt, and this is where the microphone picks up the audio, right? As you can rotate this, boom, right there. That's 90 degrees. Rotate this down 180 degrees, so now it's down there, or rotate it up so it's over here and right there as well. ANKERWORK. Oh, look at that. You have directional, so you can rotate this thing. You have the light right here, and this actually acts as your mute button if you need to mute it. When you push it, it's red, so you know you're muted. I like that. It's not too bright of a light, and it's hidden. When you wear it, nobody can see. So as you can see right now, the microphone is picking up right here, because when you clip on your shirt, it's pointing up. Say you clip it to the side of the shirt, you can also rotate this baby like that, and boom, now you're pointing up. How sweet is that? Very cool, right? If you want to turn it the other way, you can also turn it the other way, just like that. Boom. Locks in place, and if you want to point it down, you can point it down like that. Boom. See how easy it is? Back to the original position. So there's 4 distinct locations. But if you don't want to clip it on something, you have a very strong magnet. That's a strong magnet. Whoa! Boom. That magnet is so strong. So that will allow you to clip it on your shirt and not have to worry about the clip at all. Perfect for if you're wearing a tight shirt, you just want to clip it on. Awesome, I love that. The microphone pickup is here. It's omnidirectional and it picks up microphone all around. Keep it close to your subject and you'll be super good. That's the beauty of these microphones right here. Right here, you have the Lavalier mic jack, and it's also the port where you can attach the windscreen. That's clever. This port has 2 functions. Number 1, you can connect a Lavalier mic, which is not included with this kit. You can get a Lavalier mic separately, or you can use the included windscreen to attach right here. Perfect for windy days and you want to block out the wind noise. This thing also has active noise cancellation too, or rather they call it noise reduction. You can use a windscreen to reduce all the wind noise, but you also have 2 levels of noise reduction with this thing, and that's a first. I've never seen compact wireless microphone like this that have built-in noise reduction. The DJI microphones don't have it. The Rode Wireless Go 2 don't have it. This is sweet. I love this. You have a lock and unlock here. So you unlock it, you turn it this way, and boom, boom. This is just a cap right here, so you can change the cap and make it match your clothes or distinct between the 2 microphones, right? Because you got 2 of them. You can have one in different colors, so you know which one is which. I'll put this one back in its place, lock it back in, and boom, it's locked in. We'll put it back in its case and check this out. It's magnetized. Sweet! It won't fall off. Look, here's our receiver unit. So this receiver unit can be attached directly to your phone, or it can be attached onto your camera hot shoe. You can leave it anywhere. Look how small this is. This is very compact. This is the receiver unit. This is where the signal from the microphones gets sent over here. Whether you use 1 microphone or 2 microphones, or use them as stereo pair or individual channels, it's up to you. Or just use 1. It doesn't matter. This is the receiver for the microphones. Let's go ahead and take out this blue tape right here. Boom! And now when we drop in here, it will be charging. It's charging. Oh, it lets you set the language, and it's touchscreen too. It's nice. This clip right here, size of a hot shoe, so it can go onto your camera hot shoe. It also got some grippy clip right here, some meaty teeth on the clip, so you can clip this onto anything pretty much. So it's got a nice clip with some teeth, so you can clip this onto things or slide it into a hot shoe, or slide it into your camera on the hot shoe / cold shoe mount. So over here, you have the USB-C connection and you have an audio out port. We have 2 connectors over here. We have a USB-C connector, so if you want to connect it to a USB-C device, you can, like a computer, so you can use that in Zoom calls, Google Hangouts, and record audio through your Skype, whatever you want. So you can connect it like this. boom, and it's connected. Oh, that's solid. That's a reassuring, solid connection. And this one, you don't have to worry about the connector getting pushed off as you put in your phone. It's solid. Boom, there we go, USB-C, and it securely locks in place, so you don't have to disconnect it. You can put it back in the case. I love that. When you're traveling and you're ready to go, you just pop this out, put it into your laptop or whatever, and you're ready to rock and roll. So there's your USB-C right there. So personally for me, I'm an iPhone user, so I'm not gonna be using this USB-C. Put the USB-C back in here and use this one. This one right here is the lightning connector. Put it on here and twist it. Boom! Reassuring lock. I love it, and it knows it's connected to that connector. I love that you have to twist it that way, so when you put it into your phone, boom. Now you don't have to worry about when you put it in the phone, it pushes the connector out, because you can't push the connector out. You have to rotate it. It goes in that way, or like if you're recording over here, you got the audio gauge and dial showing you this way, or if you want to use the connection this way to have someone else record you or whatnot, you know, you can have it on this way as well. So you can install it this way and also be able to connect it to your phone. Very cool. Two-way to connect it right here. Lightning cable can go connect both ways. And I love it that when you push it into your phone, you don't have to worry about the act of putting it into your phone will loosen up this connector. And honestly, that's a problem I have with the DJI mic, and sometimes I gotta like double, triple check to make sure the connection is solid to the phone. So this one, the ANKERWORK M650, that's a reassuring connection. Again, you can't loosen the clip unless you physically turn it. The only way to loosen up is you have to really turn to take it out. So it's solid. You can keep this clip in and charge it. It's perfect. So when you're ready to rock and roll, open this up, you got your microphone and it's all synced up, and you get this and you're ready to rock and roll. And see right there, it's already picking up my audio. Hello, hello. See? Hello, hello. You're listening. Oh yeah. See right there, it's already picking up. And this is ready to connect to the iPhone with the lightning cable. It's ready to rock and roll. I love it. Put this back right here. We have another transmitter unit right here. Same deal. To open this up and boom. This is a transmitter unit over here and boom, now it's charging. They are in the case, so they are already synced. Wow, that makes it so easy, because you remember we didn't have to pair. These are syncing. This channel right here, right? Boom, 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 boom. This channel right here, boom, 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 boom. So they're already picking up audio. And of course you have the blue light right there. If you have the mute button, boom, hello, hello, hello. See, it's muted. You can see it stopped sending the signal. Turn it back on, and you got the signal again. Sweet. And mute this one right here, boom, mute. And you're good, no audio. So nice. Here's our user manual, quick start guide. And inside the accessory box, boom, number 1, boom, number 2. These are the windscreen, and you see right there, that's a little connection port that normally you would use for your lavalier mic, but if you're using the windscreen, that means you're not using a lavalier, so that's how I connect. Plug it in. But the one thing that I will be a little bit concerned is you want to make sure there's no fiber, no hair, because when you put some fiber hair from the windscreen, it might get inside the microphone port, and you know, it's just over time that might have caused an issue. Put this in and boom. Oh, it clips in place too. But now you have the windscreen on your microphone right here. Boom. Right here, you have your standard USB-C to USB-C cable. This one's to charge your case, because back here, you have the charging port to charge your charging case. We have 15 hours of battery life in this case. We also got a little cable right here. This one is a cable so you can connect it to your smartphone. If you don't have a lightning port or a USB-C port, you want to connect it via this cable, you can connect it via this cable too. So this cable right here is for if you want to connect your receiver unit to a camera, you can plug this into the 3.5mm output and then connect this one to your camera to capture audio that way. And that's stereo audio. Sweet. You have a fancy ANKERWORK carrying case to put everything. Nothing in there. It's got room for you to put your ANKERWORK M650 microphone. You can put your windscreen in there if you like. You can put your cable right there and your USB-C cable. So you got everything on the go. Pack it and you're ready to rock and roll. Boom! And there you have it, guys. The ANKERWORK M650 dual microphone with the transmitter. Oh yeah. Boom! We got the caps. The gold cap, ANKERWORK. Boom! The green cap. Ooh, that's nice. These caps, they have a lock unlock. Turn it to the unlock side. Twist it like that and they come off nice and easy. Go for the gold one right here if you like. Put this one on and twist it on and it locks in place. Ooh, the gold is fancy because it matches with the gold up here. Unlock this one to turn that one. Boom! Pop this out and get this one. Pop it back in. Turn this around. Pop this in. Lock it in place. Boom! That's fancy. So you got the caps right here, and these are just cosmetic, so you can change them up however you want. I like to have different colors so you know which one is which in case one is low in battery or whatnot. You have your custom ANKERWORK caps right here. A little customization, a little flavor. Boom!